Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today we'll be reviewing this Panasonic nose hair trimmer. So this particular model here can be used for nose hair, for ear hair, and for beards. I specifically got this for nose hair for myself and for my wife, and we're going to try out and see how this product is. Well, so far, by reading the packaging, what I like about this product is that it can be used in the water and in dry conditions. So if you want to use it in the shower, you can use it. So here's a quick closer look of what the packaging is here for this Panasonic nose and hair trimmer. So it's like a nice package here. It shows everything you get with this nose hair trimmer. So how it works is it's actually battery operated. It takes one AA battery they put into it, and then it comes with a cleaning brush. It has a 2-year limited warranty as well if you're living in the United States, and it has a protective cap as well that goes on this nose hair trimmer. It has edge-to-edge belay technology, so it should do a really good job of cleaning out all the nose hairs in your nose. And as I mentioned, it's battery operated. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a closer look at this nose hair trimmer, see what comes in the box itself, and then I'll let you know what I think of this nose hair trimmer. So this is a closer look of what you get in the package. You have the instruction manual, you have the nose hair trimmer itself in its packaging, and then you have the brush there as well to clean the nose hair trimmer. So it's nicely packaged here, so there's no issues with damage. And this is the nose hair trimmer itself. You can see that it's washable. It has the case on the top there to protect the head of it, and at the back there is an option to open up to put in the battery. So here's a bit more details about this nose hair trimmer. It's a Panasonic and the model number is ERGN30H. It's for nose, ear, and hair trimmer. It weighs 2.2 ounces and is battery powered and made of stainless steel. It has a sharp dual-edge blades that trim the nose, ear, and unwanted facial hair very easy and comfortably. It also can be used for eyebrows and beards. It has vortex cleaning, so you can put it under the faucet of water and turn it on so it spins and cleans the head within seconds. It needs one AA battery to run, which is not included. It has a protective nose clipper cap and a cleaning brush that is also included with this nose hair trimmer. It will safely and precisely cut all the nose hairs in your nose without irritating the skin and pulling the hair. For overview, this is the Panasonic hair nose trimmer. It comes with a nice little brush here, as you can see here, this little brush, so you can clean the head of the brush. You can also wash this nose trimmer as well. There's a setting here at the front here that will show you like a water spout. You turn to that setting if you plan to get this nose hair trimmer wet. What I like about this product is it only uses one battery, so it doesn't use multiple batteries, which is a nice feature. It's very lightweight, easy to use, easy to put in the palm of your hand, and it works great. I actually tested it off camera with my nose hairs. I don't think I wanted to put that in the review itself because you might not want to watch me doing that. But so far it's done a really good job of trimming all my nose hairs, which is why I bought the product in the first place. So all you need to do is put it in your nose, go in a circular motion for a little period of time, and then point at the certain parts where you see a little bit of nose hairs, and it'll get all the nose hairs out perfectly with this nose hair trimmer by Panasonic. So far, this is a fantastic product and I really enjoyed. Thanks for watching this review by Pating Reviews. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.